Let's unlock the secrets of the wealthy and learn from one of the most successful financial educators of our time. Join us as we take a deep dive into the mind of Robert Kiyosaki, best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and discover the unique strategies he's used to build his fortune and achieve financial freedom. Robert Kiyosaki is a successful entrepreneur, investor, and author who has made a significant impact in the world of personal finance. He was born in Hilo, Hawaii, and raised in a middle-class family. In 1977, he started his own business, a company that specializes in the design and manufacturing of educational video games. The business was successful, but he sold it in 1994 to start a new venture, Global LLC, which focused on financial education. Through this company, he authored the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which was published in 1997. The book quickly became a bestseller, and it kickstarted his career as a financial educator and author. He has since written more than 20 books and continues to tour around the world, speaking about financial education and empowerment.
And it's really easy to change if you're willing to change the way you think.
Kiyosaki's story is an inspiration to many, as it demonstrates that anyone can achieve financial freedom, regardless of their background or education, if they are willing to learn, take action, and think differently about money. We have extracted the 5 best lessons you can learn from him, and we'll go through them one by one. 1. Mastering the art of passive income. Secrets of the wealthy. One of the most famous quotes from Robert Kiyosaki is, "The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them." This statement highlights the difference between working for money and having money work for you. The wealthy understand that the key to building wealth is not to rely on a single source of income, but to create multiple streams of passive income. Passive income is money that comes in regularly, even when you're not actively working for it. Creating passive income streams is not easy, but it's not impossible either. It takes time, effort, and sometimes a bit of risk-taking. The wealthy invest in assets such as real estate, stocks, or businesses that generate cash flow. They also take advantage of opportunities to earn residual income, such as royalties from books or music or affiliate marketing. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a proven way to build wealth over time. It allows you to have more financial freedom and flexibility, as well as to diversify your income sources. The key is to find the right opportunities and to be consistent in your efforts. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education in mastering the art of passive income. He encourages people to learn about different types of investments, to develop a solid financial plan, and to take action. By making money work for you, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you want without being tied to a job or a paycheck. 2. Why a solid financial education is crucial for success. Robert Kiyosaki is a firm believer that financial education is more important than formal education. He argues that traditional education focuses mainly on preparing people for a job and does not provide enough information about how to manage money and create wealth. According to him, a solid financial education is crucial for success in today's world, where the cost of living is rising and the traditional concept of a job for life is becoming a thing of the past. A financial education empowers people to make informed decisions about money, to understand the importance of saving and investing, and to create multiple streams of income. It also helps people to avoid the financial traps that many fall into, such as consumer debt and the tendency to live beyond their means. A financially educated person understands the difference between assets and liabilities and knows how to use money to create wealth. Kiyosaki also stresses that financial education is not only for the wealthy, but for everyone. He believes that anyone can achieve financial freedom, regardless of their background or education. Financial education is a lifelong process that requires consistency and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Furthermore, a solid financial education is important for people to understand the complexity of the financial world and how to navigate it. It helps people to make sense of financial products, services, and investment options, to identify potential risks and opportunities, and to make the most of their money. Robert Kiyosaki's statement that financial education is more important than formal education highlights the importance of acquiring the knowledge and skills necessary to manage money and create wealth. A solid financial education is essential for success in today's world. 3. The difference between assets and liabilities. The quote, "Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out of your pocket," is one of the most well-known and fundamental concepts in Robert Kiyosaki's teachings on personal finance and wealth building. This quote highlights the fundamental difference between assets and liabilities and the role they play in building wealth. Talking about building wealth, subscribe to our channel now to never miss out on new content and inspiration for your wealth journey. An asset is something that generates income for you, whether it's through dividends, rental income, or profits. Examples of assets include investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. These assets are the key to building wealth because they put money into your pocket, providing a steady stream of income that can be used to acquire more assets, pay off liabilities, and eventually achieve financial freedom. On the other hand, liabilities are things that cost you money. They include things like credit card debt, car loans, and mortgages. These liabilities take money out of your pocket because they require you to make regular payments. They drain your finances and make it more difficult to build wealth. Kiyosaki's message is clear. The key to building wealth is to focus on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities. By acquiring assets that generate income and minimizing liabilities that drain your finances, you can build a steady stream of income that can be used to acquire more assets, pay off liabilities, and eventually achieve financial freedom. He also emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities when making financial decisions. For example, buying a house is not necessarily an asset, it could be a liability if it does not produce any income. It's important to understand that buying assets that produce income such as rental property, stocks, or bonds is more beneficial for building wealth than buying assets that do not produce any income. 4. Overcoming fear and insecurity. How to achieve success on your own terms. The quote from Robert Kiyosaki, "Don't let fear or insecurity stop you from trying new things. Believe in yourself. Do what you love, and most importantly, be true to yourself," is a call to action for individuals to take control of their own lives and achieve success on their own terms. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to break free from the limiting beliefs and fears that hold them back from reaching their full potential. One of the key themes in his work is the importance of financial education and taking control of one's financial future. This quote aligns with his teachings by emphasizing the importance of taking risks and trying new things in order to achieve success. Kiyosaki stresses the fear of failure or rejection should not hold individuals back from pursuing their passions and goals. He encourages individuals to believe in themselves and their abilities to learn and grow. Additionally, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of doing what you love, as it leads to true fulfillment and satisfaction. He also encourages individuals to be true to themselves and their values, rather than conforming to societal expectations. By following these principles, people can make choices that align with their own goals and values rather than those of others. 5. The true measure of wealth. How to make your money work for you and future generations. One of the key themes in his work is the importance of understanding the true measure of wealth. The quote, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for," aligns with Kiyosaki's teachings by emphasizing that accumulating wealth is not just about earning a high income, but also about being able to keep and make the most of that money. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of keeping as much of your money as possible by being mindful of expenses, avoiding unnecessary debt, and making smart investments. By keeping a significant portion of your money, you can compound it over time and watch it grow exponentially. This is in line with Kiyosaki's message of financial literacy, where he encourages individuals to educate themselves about money and make smart financial decisions. Another key aspect of his teachings is the importance of making your money work for you, like we presented in the first point of this video. He encourages individuals to invest their money in assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, and index funds. By having your money work for you, you can build wealth without having to trade your time for money. This is in line with Kiyosaki's message of financial freedom, where he encourages individuals to break free from the traditional rat race and create multiple streams of income. Finally, the quote highlights the importance of keeping wealth for future generations. This inspires individuals to not only build wealth for themselves, but also for their family and future generations. He stresses the importance of passing on wealth to future generations, not just for the financial well-being of the family, but also to create a legacy. Thanks for watching. If you took value from this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.